Belauter Robot Company Limited is an enterprise specifically in R&D, production and sales of robots, manipulators, and their parts. Belauter product types are various and abundant, including industrial robots, collaborative robots, AGV robots, and injection molding manipulators. As of October 28, 2023, Belauter has 50 products. The robot arm span cover for 165 mm to 3,500 mm. The robot load capacity ranges from 1 kg to 500 kg. Fully used in all walks of life, including computer and peripheral parts industry, electronic communication industry, photoelectric industry, automotive industry, agriculture, medical industry, and packaging industry, etc. We actively research and innovate, explore application pain points, help users solve various difficult and complex problems in production scenarios, reduce enterprise costs, and improve industrial scale efficiency. The robots are an indispensable good helper in industrial scenarios. On the other hand, in order to help users better use our products, we have created a set of easy-to-understand Belauter class, supporting teaching class, providing comprehensive robot teaching content. Want to know more about product information? Welcome to follow the official website of Belauter. There has the most comprehensive and detailed data of the product in products, application video, download center to help you determine your desired product. Too many products to choose from? Welcome to call the official hotline to find our integrator to provide you with professional selection recommendations. Alternatively, you can order 1,000 sets of Belauter single model products to become Belauter integrator and jointly contribute to industrial development.